Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to blur images and objects in Inkscape. There are some really interesting settings about blurs in this software. Okay, so let's start. First you need to do is click on the left upper corner on selector tool, and now you need to click in your image. Then you need to go to filters and go to blurs, and here you have some settings that I recommend you to test. You have here blur, clean edges or evanescent. In this video I will show you blur settings, so I click on it. Here you can set your horizontal and vertical blur settings. Normally I set here the same numbers, so for example I will set here 4 in horizontal blur and 4 in vertical blur. I recommend you to turn on live preview. It will let you to check the effect before you will apply the change. Okay, so now I click apply and our image is blurred now. Okay, but if you want to blur objects, there is another option. So for example I will click on the rectangle tool and I will draw here the rectangle. Now you should click on selector tool and click on your rectangle. Then you should go to object and select here fill and stroke. You will see this window and here you have blur. Okay, so here you can set blur percentage, depends of the effect that you want to get. So for example it looks like that. So summarize, there are two really helpful methods that you can implement for your images or for objects. And it's everything in this video. If you want to support my work, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.